So my favorite restorative posture is reclined butterfly with lots of props. So I've set up my bolster behind me with the block under the top edge. I've got folded blankets. This can always be blocks as well. And then I have a loop strap, which is the favorite part of this posture for me. So I'm going to slide the strap around my back, and I'm going to try to go lower than the lower back and really around the pelvis and the hips. I'm going to take the other end over the feet, and then I'm going to tighten the strap. And I like to have the buckle, I want to shimmy it and have it close to my hip. I'll tighten it again. And really, this is up to you how tight. It's just what feels supportive. The strap likes to slide up, so make sure, even when you go down, that it's lower than your lower back. It's not trying to dig into the low back. And then you lie back comfortably. These blankets can be any height that you need. And if you have blankets versus blocks, you can slide them back and actually support your arms, which is nice as well. Your buckle is close if you need to adjust it. You can get nice and comfortable and be here as long as you need.